Hey everyone, my name's Allie and welcome back to my channel, Mindful Living. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys an unboxing of my brand new AeroGarden Harvest. It's officially that time of year where I've started to grow again indoors. Previously, I had the AeroGarden Sprout model, which is a lot smaller, so I'm super excited to unbox this with you guys today and show you exactly how it works. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the box here. This is a 6-pod model, and the one I had before had only 3 pods, so I'm gonna have double the growing space here. This AeroGarden also comes with its own gourmet herbs kit, so this will give you 6 different herbs that you can plant. There is basil, thyme, parsley, dill, and mint. I won't be planting all of those in mine today because I do have some of my own seeds and pods, but let's go ahead and show you guys how this works. So there is a light on top of the AeroGarden here. I'm just demonstrating here how you guys can adjust the light, so as they grow and get taller, you can move the light up. Also, keep in mind with the AeroGarden that everything is timed for you. So the light will stay on for 15 hours a day and there's nothing that you need to do. It will automatically turn off when the time is up, and that gives the plants 15 hours of sunlight followed by 9 hours of darkness. I like to turn my light on in the morning. So the first time you go to turn it on, you want to choose the time of day that you would like your light to turn on. I find it's best in the morning, so the light stays on throughout the day, and then at nighttime, your plants will get complete darkness. Okay, so the main difference between my old model and this one is this display screen here. So this will show you when you need to add plant food. It will light up red when you need to add more, along with when you need to add more water to the machine as well. Okay, and the next big difference is the size of the pump that is in the machine here. This is definitely a lot bigger than my old model. It's pretty neat too because as you guys can see here, when you put the lid on, the water will actually trickle through each of the holes where the plants are going to sit. So it's pretty foolproof here to make sure that your plants are constantly getting the right amount of water. Okay, and like I mentioned earlier, this is the gourmet herb seed pod kit that comes with the machine, and it also comes with 1 bottle of plant food. The plant food will tell you exactly how much you need to put in your machine, and that'll depend on how many pods you are planting. So let's go ahead and start planting all of our plants in here. To get started, I filled my machine with water, and I'm going to be adding in 2 capfuls of plant food because I am going to be planting all 6 in my machine today. You can feel free to buy the pods in kits like this, and it'll actually have the seeds inside. So if you're looking for herbs or lettuces, you can buy them in kits like that. Or you can also buy the Grow Anything kit, which is if you're like me and you garden and you have lots of seeds, this is perfect because then you can literally put your own seeds into the pod and grow absolutely anything you want in your AeroGarden. I'm just showing you guys here in case you do decide that you don't want to plant all 6 pods in your machine. You want to make sure that you're covering the extra hole, and this is so that none of the roots are exposed to the light. Just like when they're growing in soil, you don't want to expose the roots to sunlight. Okay, and once you place all of your pods into the machine, you want to go ahead and put these little domes on the top, and this just helps with the germination process, and you can go ahead and turn on your AeroGarden. One thing I will mention here is that the AeroGarden is hydroponic, so all of your plants are being grown in water, not in soil, and they're actually growing in these tiny little sponges here. I really enjoy growing hydroponically. I find it is a lot faster than growing in soil. Of course, it's really simple and easy to do, especially with the AeroGarden, because everything is timed for you. The light comes on and off on its own. You just need to remember to add in your plant food, so I definitely recommend this for any new beginner gardeners out there that are looking to get started with gardening indoors. And there is a couple different models on the market other than the AeroGarden. I have another model that's done by a different brand, so I will be doing a comparison video on my channel, just comparing the AeroGarden to competition, so make sure to stick around on my channel for that. Right now I'm planting in mine a variety of different lettuces, along with kale, basil, thyme, and dill. Within a few days, you are going to notice that all of your seeds start to sprout. I do find that my lettuce seeds are the fastest to grow, but the basil, dill, and different herbs are taking a little bit longer. I'm doing a couple different varieties here, and a lot of the herbs are now about an inch or so tall. I'll be sure to update you guys as my AeroGarden continues to grow throughout the winter. I am going to be experimenting again this year. Last year I grew tomatoes and peppers indoors, and this year I'm going to be experimenting with growing kale indoors, bok choy, and a few different things in my indoor garden. So make sure you hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next one.